The game is tied and there's 30 seconds left. It's just enough time for one last play. The quarterback makes the pass and...
What?
Huh?
What?
What happened?
Huh?
Well, what happened was that this contractor didn't contact 811 before he started digging.
Uh-oh.
This kind of thing happens more often than you might think. In fact, an underground utility is damaged every 9 minutes in the U.S. Potential hazards include fiber optic cables, like the kind that carry our television signals, as well as natural gas pipelines and water and sewer lines. All that damage adds up. In the United States, the estimated cost of damage to buried utilities is $30 billion per year. And it's not just the cost of repairing damage to the facilities themselves. There could be property damage, lost revenue from businesses unable to operate, or medical bills if anyone gets injured. But what's the cause behind all these accidents? The most common reason for underground utility damage is failure to contact 811. So how do you avoid becoming the person who takes out the cable service during the fourth quarter? It's easier than ordering pizza before the game.
Aha!
You just have to visit call811.com. The simple online system has made it more convenient than ever to submit a locate request. All you need to do is submit some information about the work area and the proposed dig site. Within a few days, utility locators will visit the site and mark the location of any underground utilities with flags, paint, or both. Once you've confirmed that all utilities have been marked, you're good to go. You can dig with confidence, knowing you won't be in for any nasty surprises. Remember, utilities can be just below the ground surface, and factors like soil erosion and tree root growth can change the depth and location of buried lines. So even if you've dug in a certain spot in the past, things might not be where you remember them. That's why you need to contact 811 every time you dig. Visit kansas811.com, or for other states, start at call811.com. Dig safe, know what's below.